Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Saturday, March 4th, 2023. It is 7:12 and 14 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, brain tumors. So let's jump to it here. The scientists developed novel approach to enhance drug delivery for brain tumors in children. Date March 2nd, 2023. Source: the Mount Sinai Hospital. Researchers have developed a new drug delivery approach that uses nanoparticles to enable more effective and targeted delivery of anti-cancer drugs to treat brain tumors in children. The technology allows for the enhanced delivery of anti-cancer drugs to the specific locations of brain tumors while sparing normal brain regions. The result is improved effectiveness and reduced toxicities of anti-cancer drugs. Researchers show that they can more successfully deliver low doses of a drug in a more effective manner to the specific sites of tumor within the brain while sparing the bone toxicity that is seen in younger patients. Medulloblastoma is the most common malignant pediatric brain tumor, accounting for about 20% of all brain tumors in children. It is highly aggressive and difficult to treat, and is considered incurable in nearly 30% of patients. Even children who are cured experience severe long-term disabilities and health issues, primarily due to the adverse side effects of radiation and chemotherapy. As site-directed drug delivery to the affected brain tissue is hindered by a distinct and highly regulated blood-brain barrier, which normally protects the brain from infections or other harmful substances. In this study, the researchers made use of a normal mechanism that uses immune system uses to traffic white blood cells to sites of infection, inflammation, or tissue injury. Rather than randomly sending immune cells throughout the body, there is a homing mechanism on activated blood vessels that immune cells use to go where they are needed. The researchers use this unique homing feature, which is also found within brain tumor blood vessels, to target their drug-loaded nanoparticles to the site of the disease and not to the normal brain regions. Using the new drug delivery platform in a genetically relevant mouse model of medulloblastoma, the research team was able to enhance the efficacy of an anti-cancer drug that could potentially be useful for a subset of medulloblastoma patients, but which is currently limited by the bone toxicity it secondarily creates in children. In addition, they showed that this targeted drug delivery approach is further enhanced with very low dose radiation, which is a standard therapy already used for most children and adults with primary and metastatic brain tumors. Importantly, the drug-brain barrier drug delivery approach has the potential to improve the delivery of drugs for other pediatric brain tumors and localized diseases in the brain in both children and adults, including focal epilepsy, multiple sclerosis, stroke, and possibly neurodegenerative disorders. As certain proteins appear on blood vessels at sites of inflammation that help white blood cells exit the bloodstream, they work like police officers at the site of a car accident who let in emergency personnel to help. The researchers sent in their own emergency personnel in the form of drug-loaded nanoparticles composed of certain sugar molecules that can target these same proteins. The researchers anticipate that continued investigation and development of this method to harness and improve the transport of materials across the blood-brain barrier and other sites will be instrumental for improving the efficacy of severe classes of approved and experimental therapeutics. And this drug delivery platform can be used to treat cancers in the brain and other sites of the body, as well as other inflammation-related diseases in the central nervous system and elsewhere. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.